Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Boy, we got a video for you. A big special shout out to Ortman Farms. That's where we got our bacon from today, and we're going to be cooking smoked bacon with honey and thyme. We want to thank all the farmers around the country and the world for just working so hard to get everybody around the country and the world fed, and they have such a hard job, so just so much respect from the team to the farmers around the world. And we just want to say thank you for all you do. Wow, look at this crew. I'd love to work there. Well, without further ado, let's get cooking. So we got our bacon. This is smoked bacon from Ortman Farms. Link will be in the description below. Chef's gonna go ahead and take it out. He's gonna put it on some parchment paper on a cookie sheet tray, and he's gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Just before the 15-minute mark, we're going to start our glaze. So get a pot on the stove, and we're going to add honey, and then some Dijon mustard, and then just going to give that a nice little stir as this is starting to heat up, and then of course a little bit of thyme, and all of that will be in the description below. You're going to give this a good stir and let it heat up to a good boil, and then bring it down nice and slowly. After 15 minutes, take your bacon out and just take your glaze and just very gently glaze it on. You don't need too much, just a little bit, Chef said. After the bacon's been glazed, put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes and then take it out and you can serve it up. And here is going to be our end result. So there it is. There is smoked bacon with honey and thyme. Very delicious. Quick video, but I mean, pretty simple. We just kind of glazed up some bacon with some fun ingredients, and it was really delicious. Had a nice caramelized texture, taste, the sweet, the salty. We hope you enjoyed this very quick video for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, whatever you want to do. And don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. And a big special shout out to all the farmers around the world, especially Ortman Farms. Thank you so much.